Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV11 is making a strange noise, it can be quite alarming. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning motor or debris caught in the brush bar. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, ultimately hindering the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Thankfully, we can guide you through the repair process. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. Start by ensuring the Dyson SV11 is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently pull the casing apart to expose the internal components. Now, let's identify the faulty component. The motor is typically located near the base of the vacuum. If you hear an unusual sound, it is likely that the motor has become damaged. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly later. With the cables removed, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry the motor out of its housing. Be cautious not to damage surrounding components while doing this. Once the motor is out, take your replacement motor and insert it into the same position, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are secure and in the correct order. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the motor, it's time to reassemble your Dyson SV11. Carefully align the casing back into place, ensuring all edges fit together seamlessly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the casing without over-tightening. To check if the repair was successful, plug the device back in and turn it on. You should notice that the strange noise has disappeared, and your Dyson is operating smoothly again. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, make sure to regularly clean the brush bar and empty the dust container. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your Dyson SV11 and keep it running efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.